Morning dear student, welcome to our maths class. We are going to start exercise 6.6 which is related to algebraic expression. Today we will start algebraic identities. There are some standard identities that we will use in this exercise. If two algebraic expressions are given like as this one, here one number is given and second term here is given. Two terms are given in this form and outside there is square. It means they are in the form of a plus b whole square. Then we use formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. If same identity is in negative form, we use a square plus b square minus 2ab. Due to this negative, only 2ab is negative. If there is a square minus b square, then a plus b, a minus b. We have to learn these identities to solve the sums. Firstly, I will prove first identities, other identity you can solve by yourself. For that how this comes, how this result comes to us. I will only explaining this one, how my answer came like this one. Now, if this statement is given, a plus b, here is square. So I can write this statement 2 times due to this square. Now do product of this one with this, a with a square, a into b, ab, b into a, ab plus b into b, b square. So a square plus 2ab, 1ab, 2ab plus b square. In previous exercise we are using this one. We are multiplying two brackets by this method. But now they have given us the formula like this. This comes from this one. We can use these identities easily and we can. This is a shortcut method to use the identities and to find the product of two terms. Okay. Now, if in exercise 6.2, first sum is evaluate. How we use these identities? Evaluate. There is the one statement given, 2x plus 3y square. 2x plus 3y square. So I have identities a plus b square, a minus b square, a square minus b square. I have these identities. So this is similar to this one. A plus b, it means first term plus second term whole square. So what is the formula for that? A square, it means square of first term plus square of second term b square plus 2a and b. Okay, this identity I have already explained to you. Formula for a plus b square is, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. It means square of first term plus square of second term plus 2 first term and second term. There is a multiplication because no sign is here. So here is a multiply sign. Now 2 2s are 4 x square. Square of 2 is 4. X square is same as this one. Square of 3 is 9 y square plus 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 xy. So it is very easy to use this identity for multiplication. Otherwise we have to solve the bracket multiplication with another bracket. Okay. Similarly, if there is another statement in negative form like as 3x minus 2z square, it means a minus b square. What is the formula for a minus b square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now we use this formula here. A square means first term square. Okay. Second term plus b square, it means square of second term minus 2. First term is 3x, second term is 2z. Okay. 3 3s are 9 x square plus 2 2s are 4 z square minus 3 2s are 6 2s are 12 x z. So we can use this identity like this and it is very easy to use this type of identities. If the statement is given in this form, 3x plus 2y, 3x minus 2y. Now same statement in plus sign and same statement in negative sign. So we use this third one identities, a plus b, a minus b. Identity is a square minus b square. It means square of first term minus square of second term. So square of this is 9x square minus 4y square. Okay, firstly we have done multiplication of this one with this one bracket and 2y with whole bracket. Then we find like terms and then we added. Then we got the answer. But by using these identities, we can use shortcut method to multiply the brackets. Okay. In first and second sum you will solve these identities. And now third question, using formula available. They have given 102 square. We can do multiplication same by 102 into 102, but it becomes very lengthy, so we use these identities as a shortcut trick. So here is 102 plus 2, so I can write it 100 plus 2 square. I have a statement 102, I can write it as 100 plus 2 whole square. So match this with identities. Which identity is similar to this one? A plus B whole square bracket and whole square. It means first identity is this one. So use this one. This so I have to find a square plus b square. So a square, it means square of first term, plus b square, square of second term, plus 2ab. It means first term and second term. Okay, now square is this 10,000, square of this is 4, and here is 400. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 with 2 zeros. When I add this one, I got my answer 4 plus 400, and I got my answer 10404. By adding these, I got my answer 10404. Okay, now if the statement is 99 square, second question is square of 99. How can I break 99? I can break 99 as 100 minus 1 square. It means a minus b square. What is this? This is second identities. So a square plus b square minus 2a and b. First term square, 100 square is 10,000 plus 1 square is 1 minus 200. When I add these two terms, I got 1001 minus 200. When I subtract it, I got my answer 9801. My answer is 9801. Okay. Now you can do this sum as 90 plus 9 square. There are two methods. You can use this one also, 100 minus 1 and 90 plus 9 square. This one you will use by first identity and answer will be same. This is by second identity, but term should be same. 100 minus 1 is 99 and 90 plus 9 is 99. So other parts you will solve by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.